Okay, checking to see if we are live, and you guys are not going to see me this time, but you'll know that I'm there. I want us together to really receive the healing energy of nature, Mother Earth, Father Sky, and just focusing on the beauty of the beautiful green trees. They're not coming out so green in the video, but please, this is Karuna Joy, and please let me know. I'm going to turn it down a little bit because I had some feedback. Let me know if you guys are here. I'd love to get comments anyway. Where you're watching from. And comments about your experience, any questions, all kinds of stuff like that. I'm happy to be there for you. So it looks like we're getting some people here. So for the people who are just coming on, we're going to have a different live experience with Karuna this time, and it's to really focus on the beauty and the energy from Mother Earth as we experience this live. And can you guys tell me, can somebody tell me if you can hear me okay? Because it's a different kind of sound set up here, the way I have things. So if somebody can let me know if you can hear me okay, that would be great. I don't see any comments yet. If you guys want to make some comments and just let me know you're there. And if you can hear me okay, okay? Okay. Andy, thank you. Okay, good. You guys can hear me all right. Okay, it's not going to be as loud because of the setup that I have right now. So, somebody had a tornado. Exciting. I hope everything's okay. So today we're going to, like I said, some people didn't hear me, just really focus on receiving, and you guys can just, experience yourselves out in nature and just receive all the energy from Father Sky, from the trees, from the earth, and just let that come in for you. And we're going to start with an opening prayer. And this prayer is going to call on the energy of the Divine Feminine, Durga. And this prayer is about inviting in that love of the Divine Feminine. So as you're receiving the prayer, you can be in stillness, you can move, you can hum along, you can sing along if you know this prayer. La Just feeling the love of the Divine Feminine, Durga, Mother Earth, whoever else the Divine Feminine is for you. Just allow your heart to open and receive that love. And just breathe, take nice breaths, and receive what's there for you at this time. So later on in the life, we're going to be connecting with an activation, connecting to Mother Earth's energy, to the Divine Feminine. And we're also going to be experiencing a heart-opening transmission, love, divine light. And that's going to kind of be the theme. But you know, something just came to me just this morning actually, about as I was going through the feed for our elders site, for our fire. And by the way, I do want to express gratitude as I start to this lovely, amazing, transformational fire at the Earth Elders Galactic Fire group here, and especially to Matthew, Gardiner, and all of his support team, and also to all of the other presenters, and to all of you guys. So I'm just feeling a lot of gratitude right now, and I wanted to share that. And so I was feeling a lot of gratitude as I was going through the feed. I always am amazed by the rainbow energy of our fire. Like every person has a different energy, and we're all connected deeply to everything that is. They also have this lovely different flavor of the rainbow, and I just wanted to express my gratitude for that gift of incredible diversity in the unity of our fire. And it just made me go to gratitude for the fact that we are, all of us, even as we are one, we have such a diversity amongst, the human population, the earthlings, and even my harp that I'm playing now, each of the different tones on my harp reflect a very important part of the spectrum of the sound that gives it the full sound. And I just feel like all of us, all all of humanity. Each person is like a beautiful color of a flower in the garden of our planet. It's so beautiful. And the other thing is, I was just reminded that in each of our own energies, we reflect a rainbow of energy, a rainbow of emotions, all the beautiful colors of the emotions, the anger, the sadness, the joy, the peace, the love, how they're all important aspect of our rainbow energy, through which we fully can live our lives and learn that which we came here to learn. So very grateful for that. And I can remember as a little girl, I always resonated with rainbow energy. Well, you can kind of tell by all the toys I have, and I have many different things that I can do. Just because I need to, because I'm very much in that energy. But when I was a little girl, one of my greatest pleasures was coloring with the Crayola crayons that had so many colors of the rainbow. And I could feel all the energies of the colors, and they were very important for me. And I really remembered, I really liked green, the spring green, and I liked all the different blues. They were just so beautiful and calming and tranquil, and I also felt like I connected strongly with the blues. So anyway, what I would like to do is offer as an opportunity to go inside. You can look out, you can look at the screen, at the woods, or you can close your eyes and just inhale deeply and receive all the vibrations of the color of the rainbow, the colors of the rainbow. And also just really feel how you are this rainbow, even as you may really hold the energy of one color at a certain time. You really are a rainbow. So just allow yourselves to just receive all the colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, and all the shades in between. Just experience that. You can experience it, see it, just feel it in your whole being. Just welcoming all those vibrations, those energies, because sometimes we focus on certain ones, or maybe just even one of the colors, which can present a problem, right? So we have an opportunity to just open up and receive the colors. And I can just go through them again slowly if that helps people. We can start with red. Feel the red vibration. You might see something red, a cherry or an apple, or a beautiful red tulip or a red rose. Let's bring that in. And notice how that energy feels in your whole being, in your heart, in your solar plexus. Let's go to orange. Of course, we might see a beautiful, cheerful orange. An orange flower. There are orange azaleas sometimes too. Just receive the orange vibration. course, springtime in North America is a beautiful time to experience green. In some places, there's green all the time. Okay, so you can feel the green leaves. That's the main thing that comes to me for green leaves. A lot of our vegetables, green romaine lettuce, cucumber. Just receive the vibrations of green. And let it move through all of your cells. Okay, so let's bring in blue. The blue sky, the blue of the ocean, of a lake. There are some flowers that are very blue. And let's just go to purple now, okay? Just feel the purple of, there's flowers that are purple, violets are purple. Other flowers are purple, clematis, they can be sort of a blue, purple. Just feel the beautiful purple energy. Just welcome all those colors into your whole being. Just feeling them all awakening, activating all the frequencies of the full spectrum that you are. Feel your whole rainbow self come alive. And feel the freedom that you would feel with experiencing all the different colors of the people that you work with, live with, meet in your life, and how they can be taken in easily and how you can flow with them all. Yeah, so just take some time and let that move through your whole being. Okay, nice. And as we move on, if sometimes people feel like they need to take more time, then just know that our whole energy is continuing to receive what's needed, even though we're moving on to another phase of our experience. So now what we're going to do is we're going to now share, experience, receive the medicine that Mother Earth offers us. So if you want to look outside, of course, I'm sorry, the colors are not that great, I think, because it's a little bit sunny, okay? Or you can just close your eyes and feel yourselves outside, or maybe you are outside. And just we'll take some moments and connect with Mother Earth. Just breathing, receiving, and feeling the beauty, and feeling her love. And just nice breaths, letting yourself reconnect with the amazing presence of our earth and our sky. And just feeling, receiving the love of Mother Earth. And just feeling the love for Mother Earth, for all that she offers us. The beauty, our sustenance, and all the other ways that she supports us, and largely her love. So just feel her love to you in your heart, and just receive that. And it's good to remind us that no matter what's going on in our lives, around us, within us, that love from Mother Earth and Father Sky is always there, that unconditional love. And just feel that. And just receive. See the love, feel the love, and just let it shine back out. I just had an image of a beautiful cardinal singing, as they do now in Virginia this time of year. And the cardinals always open my heart. They're beautiful beings and a beautiful song. And you can just take the time you need now to come back if you want to here. Yeah, good. And so, as everybody, most of us are aware, excuse me, of, this is a time of a lot of change going on, a lot of amazing energies are coming in, transformational energies. It's really a time of ascension for humanity. Special time when we can be secluded and retire from the normal hustle and bustle and the normal distractions that take us away from going deeper. What a gift this time to go deeper. this time, it seems very important to receive and offer light activations to help us to integrate and anchor in all higher light frequencies that are coming in now. So this last activation, initiation type energy, we're going to be receiving very strongly the love from Father Sky and the love from Mother Earth. In our heart. So just open your heart and receive the love of Mother Earth and the light of Father Sky, just meeting at your spiritual heart and feeling them open. And they actually form a cross where they meet, and just feel this love and light that's coming in. Feel the loving light that shines out from your heart and touches everybody everywhere. So just let yourself breathe, receive, and feel what's there during the activation. And the sound is going to be an important part of this activation. You can move if you need to move. Just really receive the union of the heavens and earth in your heart. Feel your heart expanding. Feeling your crown open, and feel that light anchoring deep into the heart of the earth. just being with whatever's there. In the body, in your heart, just breathing, receiving, and feeling. Feeling the light at your crown. The crown opening to receive that light. Feeling the heart opening. And feeling a strong column of light coming down your body and anchoring into the heart of Mother Earth. So you can live and be in this beautiful light and love that is your truth at all times. Just live it in your life. Just totally receiving whatever's there for you. And knowing that whatever you're experiencing, whatever light, whatever love is coming up for you, is there to be shared with all the others. And is shared with all the others because there are no others outside of us. We are the others, and the others are us. And just feel that. And receive that. Again, know this light this amazing light that you are. Again, know this beautiful love. That is your truth. Breathe that in, receive that, and feel that in every cell in your being. Feel that expanding out into your energy field and beyond. That knowing the vibration of who you really are. Just let your body move however it might want to move. And feel what's there. And again, just feel the love and the gratitude for Mother Earth, the Father Sky, all that is really. And know that you can carry this love and this light out into your life to be with you all the time. Because actually, it's who you are, so there it is. And just enjoy that. Breathe and receive and feel what's there. Experiencing the body, the cells, the vibration, the opening, the expanding, the love, the light, and the joy. And just know that that is there for you all the time. It's just a matter of remembering. We accept the grace, all the gifts of our heart activation, our rainbow light activation, and our Mother Earth, Father Sky activation. Sharing this with everybody, everywhere. Just let yourselves continue to receive what's there. Continue to breathe, receiving and feeling. blessings of our time together to all beings everywhere. May they have peace, may they have light, may they be loved, may they have joy, may they have ease in all ways, and may they have enough to eat and a place to live. As we wish for all beings. Now the sun's just sinking down behind you. Oh, Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. So just let yourselves come back. You don't really have to come too far back, really. It's not like, we're in a room together and you can't hang out forever. Because you can just be in the energy and just lie down or, move around or dance and just let the energy integrate into all that you are, really, into all of your cells. And that way the energy goes deeper, and this is more permanent, really, if you sit with it, if you lie down with it and just let it come in. Okay, so I want to just thank everybody for coming, and I don't know how well it worked out not to have me seen, but I just thought that this is an experiment. I just thought I wanted to kind of have nature, be in nature, but I couldn't really do a good setup outside. So I just thought I would try this, and we'll just see how it worked. Maybe it's not as engaging, but I was definitely here with you and felt you guys here with me. So deep gratitude again to Matthew Gardiner for opening this beautiful portal of love, light, and awakening. And everyone else that supports him, and again, everyone sharing and everyone receiving, and as we receive, we are also sharing. Okay, guys, so feel free to let me know any comments, know where you're from, what the experience was like, maybe what you thought of not having me on the live, my physical body, but it was wonderful sharing with you this way too, and I hope everyone has a beautiful day and continues to enjoy the site, and please invite all your friends into this magnificent rainbow fire of love and transformation. Okay, take care, you guys. I love you. Okay, I'm giving you a big kiss even though you can't see. Okay, have a beautiful, beautiful day. Okay, see you again.